If you've ever tried packing for a long trip only to find yourself sitting on your suitcase just to get it to zip, you know the struggle. Whether you're a frequent flyer or prepping for that once-a-year vacation, finding ways to maximize luggage space is a total game changer. That's where vacuum storage bags come in, especially the ones with built-in or electric pumps. These bags not only compress your clothes into tight, manageable packs, but also make your luggage way more organized. In today's video, we're diving into the 7 best vacuum bags for travel that come with electric pumps, so you can pack smarter, not harder. All the product links are in the description below, so check them out if one of these fits your travel style. Let's dive in! Let's kick things off with the Cozy Essential Vacuum Bags, which come in a 12-pack and include a compact portable electric pump. These bags hit a really nice balance between performance and portability. The pump is lightweight and surprisingly fast, perfect for those hotel room repack sessions when you're trying to squeeze in those extra souvenirs. The bag sizes vary enough to handle everything from bulky sweaters to delicate fabrics, and the double zip seal plus triple seal turbo valve combo does a great job keeping air out for the long haul. One thing to note is that the pump, while efficient, can get a little warm if you're compressing multiple bags in one go, so pacing it out is wise. Overall, this set is ideal for travelers looking for a user-friendly starter kit that gets the job done with minimal hassle. Now, if you're the kind of traveler who brings everything just shy of the kitchen sink, the Gongshi Vacuum Bags 24-pack will speak your language. You get a massive variety: 5 jumbos, 5 larges, 5 mediums, 5 smalls, and 4 roll-up bags. And yes, the electric pump is included. What's impressive here is how consistent the seal is across such a range of sizes. These bags are sturdy enough to take on big jobs like compressing comforters or jackets, and the pump, while basic in design, is very reliable. Compared to the Cozy Essential set, this one's more comprehensive and better suited for larger families or extended trips. However, the added quantity does mean more to manage, so if you're a minimalist traveler, this might feel like overkill. But for those who travel heavy or are prepping for a big move, this set offers unbeatable variety. Switching gears a bit, let's talk about the ANQ Aros Air Backpack with pump. This one's for the adventurers and digital nomads out there. It's a 60-liter expandable backpack that comes with its own pump and built-in vacuum compression feature. Yes, seriously. Instead of packing a separate bag of vacuum storage units, you literally compress your gear right inside the backpack. When looking at this model closely, what impressed me most was how seamlessly it integrates vacuum technology into a carry-on design. It's anti-theft, made of water-resistant materials, and the internal compartments are super functional. The only catch is that it doesn't provide the same level of compression as traditional vacuum bags, so you won't be reducing volume by 80% here, but for quick weekend trips or carry-on only travel, it's an incredibly innovative solution. Next up is the Meaback vacuum bag for travel. This one really stands out for its durability and weather resistance. The bags are IP67 waterproof rated, which means if your luggage gets caught in a downpour or dumped on the tarmac, your clothes are still coming out dry. The pack includes a cube-style compression bag and a small but effective pump that performs well under repeated use. One standout feature is how easy the bags are to reload after opening, something that can be annoyingly fiddly in cheaper sets. This makes it a great pick for backpackers and long-term travelers who need to unpack and repack often. Unlike the Gongshi set we talked about earlier, which gives you a ton of variety, the Meaback set is more specialized, better suited for people who value durability and water protection over quantity. If you're more concerned about keeping things compact and quiet, the Space Saver Vacuum Bags 10-pack could be your go-to. These bags are sleek, durable, and come with a compact electric pump that's significantly quieter than most others I've tested. You won't exactly win popularity contests running this at full speed during family nap time, but for a busy hotel room or late-night packing, it's much less disruptive than others. The triple seal mechanism is effective and gives you that tight compression that actually stays sealed through multiple flights. I also appreciated the simple labeling on each bag, which helps avoid the "which bag has my socks" scenario. Compared to the Cozy Essential or Gongshi sets, Space Saver offers less in quantity but makes up for it in thoughtful design and a quieter operation, which makes this a smart pick for travelers who value peace and order. Moving up in terms of functionality, let's look at the VMSTR Vacuum Bags 15-pack. What really sets these apart is the USB-powered pump. It's rechargeable, fast, and works from a power bank, which makes it an amazing option for long airport layovers or road trips where you might not have wall power. The compression is strong, easily matching what we saw with the Meaback, and the bag materials feel premium. I have to say, the engineering on this model is impressive, especially the way the pump nests into the carry pouch for easy storage. The only drawback is that the USB pump, while portable, has a bit of a learning curve if you're used to traditional plug-in models. Still, for tech-savvy travelers or anyone who wants to ditch outlet dependency, this is one of the smartest solutions on the list. And finally, we have the Vackbird Vacuum Bags 15-pack, which includes a rechargeable air pump and 15 durable compression bags. Imagine you're working from home during a heat wave. Your bags are packed, your suitcase is bursting, and you're flying in a few hours. You pop the Vackbird pump into action, and within minutes, your clothes are half the volume. The pump is compact but powerful, and it doesn't require you to bend over an outlet. Just charge it up, and you're good to go. What stands out most about this design is the focus on traveler independence. You don't need hotel staff, a wall plug, or any manual pumping. Compared to the VMSTR, this model is slightly bulkier, but it makes up for that with an excellent battery life and faster compression speed. This is perfect for solo travelers or digital nomads who want full control over their packing process. So, which of these vacuum bag sets is right for you? If you're packing for a family or an extended trip, the Gongshi 24-pack gives you the best value in terms of quantity and size variety. For solo travelers or couples who want an easy, portable solution, the Cozy Essential 12-pack is compact and efficient without being overwhelming. If water resistance is your priority, say you're going camping or moving between climates, the Meaback set is a solid investment. Travelers who value tech and convenience should look seriously at the VMSTR and Vackbird sets for their USB and rechargeable pump options. And if you're someone who wants a minimalist, all-in-one solution, the Anaros Air Backpack blends compression and transport into a single smart bag. Finally, for those who just want a quiet, effective solution with a thoughtful design, the Space Saver 10-pack is a great all-around performer. If you're traveling internationally with multiple flight changes, go with something like the Cozy Essential set. It's lightweight, easy to repack, and won't slow you down at customs. For those who need to pack bulky winter gear or bedding, the Gongshi or VMSTR sets handle thick items with less hassle and better compression. If you're the type who likes to stay organized with separate bags for each clothing category, the multi-size layout in the Gongshi and Space Saver packs makes that super simple. Heading on a cruise or staying in small cabins. The Vackbird's rechargeable pump is perfect when outlets are limited or hard to find. Digital nomads or remote workers might appreciate the Anaros backpack most. It cuts down on gear while adding compression functionality to your everyday bag. If you're planning a long backpacking trip with unpredictable weather, Meaback's rugged, water-resistant build adds peace of mind you'll appreciate on the trail. And if you hate fussing with zippers or valves, the Space Saver bags stand out for being super intuitive, even if you've never used vacuum storage before. All the product links are in the description below, so go ahead and check those out to see which one fits your travel style best. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and hit that subscribe button for more smart travel gear reviews. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.